Oriental Rug Care. We're just cleaning rugs. We're doing all kinds of stuff. We're in our repair room right now. I love this project. Miss Edlin right now is working on refringing this wool on wool carpet. So the customer wanted beautiful new fringe, but they wanted it wool. So look what she's working on right here. She is putting new wool fringe. Look flawless. Then she'll knot it up and just seamless. We love refringing rugs, doing repairs. Call Oriental Rug Care if you need machine-made fringe because you're on a budget. We can work with your budget. We have many different designs. Call Oriental Rug Care today. Wave to the customers, Evelyn.
Hi, hello.